Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidre. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy. So guys, welcome to today's video. As you know that in this channel we used to drop different strategy on boom and crash index. So in today's video we are going to be checking out what really happened on crash 300 using this strategy, and it only works on 5-minute time frames. And what you are going to be doing with this strategy is just taking just 3 to 4 candlestick every time. 3 to 4 candlestick every time. That's what you need to do in this strategy. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy before I explain how this strategy works. So inside these settings we have the relative strength index, which we have our period to be 14, we have apply to close, we have our style to be in color of our background. So if you are using black background, make sure you use black color here. So it's because I'm using white color here, and that's why I have white color here. So now we have different level. We have level for 10, we have 90, we have 50, and where 50 is our take profit, while we have our 10 to be buy zone, and we have our 90 to be sell zone. So you press on done and you move again to your second settings, which is the envelope. We have our period to be 75, we have our shift to be 0, we have our divisional to be 0.900, we have our method to be simple, we have apply to close, and you have your upper band and your lower band to be in this same color. Then you press on done. So once you are done, then let's move to MACD. In our MACD, you set it up like this. We have our fast EMA to be 12. We have our slow EMA to be 26. We have MACD SMA to be 9. We also have apply to close, and we have style as our color here. We have different level. We have 90, we have 10, we have 0. Then you press on done. So by doing this, we have the same settings. We have it here on what? On this chart like this. You will have it like this. Don't forget that we have our MACD, which is our histograph that you are seeing at this charts here. And we also have our envelope, which is the 2-9 that you are seeing on this particular chart. And also we have our MACD 9, which is our MACD 9, which is this particular blue 9. You see that? So what you are going to be doing every time for you to have an accurate entry is that you are going to be checking your 10 level if you are going for a what? For a buy entry. If you are going for a what? A buy entry, you are going to be checking out a what? Your 10 level. You are going to wait until your histograph reach your 10 level. You see that particular area, like this area now. You see we have a confirmation here that our histograph reach our 10 level. And also you are going to be checking your MACD blue signal reaching above the what? Above the envelope. So this time around now you can see that the blue of the MACD is reaching below the what? Below the envelope that we have here, which is our blue color here. So once it reached below the envelope and it was reaching our 10 level, then this is one of the best area for us to take an entry. This particular entry, you see, you just take it and count just your 3 candlestick to 4 candlestick, then you are out of the market. Don't forget this is 5-minute time frames, and you know how much candle is going to be when it comes to 5-minute time frames. So that is going to be a number of what? A number of candlestick. You see, so immediately we have our what? Our candlestick reaching our 4 level here. Then you are what? You are out of the market, or you wait enough for our take profits to reach, which is what we are having at this particular area. So guys, that's exactly what you just need to do using this strategy. So let me show you guys more sample. And also if you are also trading in what? In sell entry for this strategy, maybe you want to use this strategy to catch up a spike, the same principle is what you also need to do. You see now at this particular area now we can see that our histograph is reaching our what? Our 90 level. At this particular area, you see it's reaching our 90 level, and you can also see our MACD signal is reaching above the envelope blue 9 at this particular area. So that's to tell you that you have your confirmation around this area, and you can keep on taking your your spike entry as you like, until you have your full profit and you are out of the market. So you see, we have another confirmation at this area too. You see what happened here? I told you guys that you need to wait for your MACD to reach that 10 level. Anytime you want to enter for a buy level, you need to let it reach your 10 level, and once it reach our 10 level, and you will need to also wait for our MACD signal to move above the word, above the envelope. You see, it moved below the envelope at this area, and once it move below the envelope, then you are good to what? You are good to go. So now you are going to be finding your entry around this area, around this area. But you can see what happened here. We have our candlestick moving up to like 2 to 3 candlestick, and you have already out of the market. But if spike really work against you now, you need to be patient for it. But since you are still having your blue 9 moving below the envelope, then you know that this market is still safe for you to wait. So you see what happened here. So that's exactly what you need to do. You see, we have another confirmation at this area too, which we need to enter for a sell signal at this particular area. And what we are going to be waiting for is our histograph to reach our 90 level. And once it reach our 90 level, we need to wait for our MACD signal to move above the envelope. It needs to move above the above the envelope at this area for us to confirm our entry. So you need to find our entry at this particular area, and you can keep on see that we are having a spike entry everywhere. You see that you can see what happened here. So you can catch up this particular trade from this level to this level as you want, or you close at this level, or you close at this level. So it depends on you, on where you want to close it. But don't forget, our 50 level is set to take our profit. You see, our 50 is set to take our take profit 1 at this particular area. So that is one of the best way you need to set your 50 level at this area. You see what happened also here? Same thing happened here. You see exactly what I told you guys. You see what happened here? It's going to move below it and reach our 10 level, and give us our confirmation here. And you see that our MACD signal reached below. You see it moved below the red line, which is the envelope. You see what happened? You get your confirmation, you take just 3 candlestick to 4 candlestick, then you are out of the market. So guys, there's exactly what you need to do in this particular strategy. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop another powerful strategy like this. You can also like and comment on this channel, and also share it around, and also you can also join our Telegram group for more updates on boom and crash index. Thanks.